Okay. So what'd you say that little fella's name was?
His name's Clam Roller.
Clam Roller, did you say?
Yes.
Oh gosh, where'd you get him?
I found him in the ocean one day. He had been abandoned by his clam family.
Oh my goodness.
So I kind of trained him on the ways of people.
Looks kind of Japanese to me. You sure it ain't radioactive?
Oh no, he don't speak any Japanese at all.
Yeah, well neither do I, so I wouldn't know one way or another.
Well, a bit surprising really, because he's quite clever.
Yeah?
Yeah. See, so I'll show you a trick that he does.
Okay. Wow! Yeah? Here, back up a little. Keep going.
That's how he likes to ride the surf, I'll show you.
Oh, he can do better. He can do better than that. Come on. Come on. He spent most of his life way out at sea.
Don't forget, he's been domesticated.
Yeah, unlike the person that's pulling him.
Look at that. Isn't that something?
That is something.
He's a little bit shy, so.
Yeah, unlike the person that's pulling him. Well, I'm about run out of, I think the battery's getting kind of low on this. I think I'm running low on tape, too. I better shut it off. And you know, we got to get out of here. We got to skedaddle and get ourselves out, check out soon.
Yeah, little clam digger. He says the tide's coming in, so you might want to take a run for it.
Okay.